No, that's not what that means. That's not the right sign. Good try, idiot.
Be the ASL student you want to be.
No. Literally, she's so dumb. Use the middle finger.
What?
That's not even ASL. Like,
What? She's literally so dumb. Fuck, use the middle finger.
grow up.
We're at camp.
All I did was just drizzle her with some refreshing.
Drizzle.
I'm refreshing cool water from my mouth that I sacrificed, and then you spit water on me. You poured water on me, and now I'm getting hit in the face. And Marissa will never forgive me, and she's not gonna braid my hair, which is fine. Because there's other people that can braid my hair. Because you're not special enough to do it.
Don't braid her hair either. Tell her you're not gonna braid her hair.
But you punched me with the cup, and you
I punched you. Yeah, that's what I did.
all I did was drizzle you with water. You saw my face was like
Her elbow was dripping.
in water 2 different times.
Not from my mouth. It did not come out of my mouth.
You're being dramatic, drama queen. She's being a drama queen. This girl was a drama queen. Oh my. Yeah.
Shook it at her.
The rally turban! The rally turban! You guys definitely have
Don't get any closer. Don't you do it. That's not the sign, you idiot. That's like how much. Think about that.
You're asking her that.
Sign.
Oh, I still got spit on my arm from her hair. Bye, vlog.